everyone, I want to show you what I just purchased. I'm afraid if I lift it up too far it'll be kind of glary. It is the Brother PTouch Embellish label maker, and the reason I got it is because this is the only one that will do print on ribbon. Can you see the? So I got the red ribbon. This one is navy blue and white one. Can't make it. I'm trying to make it clearer for you. There we go. Make some out of the way. So I thought that I would show you what it comes with. I did get these three. I purchased them extra. It comes with, this one is white ribbon on this. And it also comes with a, I believe it comes with a regular printer label. So let me just open the box. I apologize for the glare. The box is very shiny. There, now some of the shine will be gone. Oh. So here it is. I thought it was already running when I opened it because it says so many uses. Oh, I'm trying to do it so it doesn't glare. There you go. But that's just a, hopefully it's a little cover. And it looks pretty simple. I'll find out. On and off switch, print. There's fonts and frames and symbols and patterns. And I'm guessing maybe this is when you're using ribbon. I'm not positive. It has a regular keyboard. It does take, oh, and here's the little cutter for when your ribbon comes out, I guess back here, and then this is what cuts it. It takes an AC adapter, but it didn't come with one. But I think this is a universal one, and I think I might have something that works on that. In here, I put this in. It shows you what you have in already. In here, it shows you which tape you have in. So this is a laminated green chevron. Oh, let me see if I can get that. There we go. So it's got that green zigzag on it. So no matter what you have in there, it's nice to know you can see what it is. And you don't have to run a tape out. You just put a new one, you know, switch them back and forth. So the opening is here. And it does take batteries. So I'm going to get some batteries and show you how it works.